star. Think I'm supposed to be upset about it. With my lifestyle, it's not hard. Put up a wall, I find a way to get around it. Don't know balance, but I've read about it. That shit sounds awesome, provided you're a lost one. I throw caution to windmills. Never been still, never been drowned. I got fish gills, I know 6 mil. Ion, ways to diet, now I'm on number 5,999,999. Don't worry, I'll be fine. When death calls for me, I'll decline. You don't have enough juice to take me up out my zone or this house I own. Address me like I'm Al Capone. In the event I discover I'm not invincible, I'll die in the physical, asking myself what Prince would do. I know I'm gonna die like a rock star. I know I'm gonna die like a rock star. I know I'm gonna die like a rock star. Fuck it, I hope I die like a rock star. Go out like Whitney did, play my greatest hits at my funeral. I'll die on my throne before I die in a cubicle. It's beautiful, it's business as usual, it's ugly, trust me. Sure as I'm alive and I'm breathing, I'd rather die by my demons than for my country. I'd rather go out in a blaze of glory than fade away into the same old story. I've been burning all these candles at both ends, it gives off a lovely light. Ghosts of my old friends keep me up at night. I'm only reckless cause I'm restless, call it manic depressive, but goddamn it's impressive. Yes, I am on the guest list. 1 foot in the grave and the other on the gas pedal, going up, approaching the last level, way ahead of schedule. I swim against the current, all my homies pour out liquor, my wife collect insurance. I know I'm gonna die like a rock star. I know I'm gonna die like a rock star. I know I'm gonna die like a rock star. Fuck it, I hope I die like a rock star. And when I die, bury me in my Mercedes. So when I die, bury me in my Mercedes. When I die, bury me in my Mercedes. Now they all say I'm a narcissist. Newsflash, baby, every artist is. We're the only reason art exists. We got the whole entire world in our defense. Broken wings, yet I learned how to fly. I walk with giants, you can try and cut us down to size. Out of sight, never out of mind. I'ma live forever until forever runs out of time.